Hi guys, in this video we will see how to fix Chrome error address invalid on Windows 11 and Windows 10. If you are also facing such type of error code on your Google Chrome browser, then here are the fixes. Launch your Google Chrome browser, click on vertical 3 dot against top right corner, click on it and choose settings from the drop down menu. Click on settings, thereafter click on 3 horizontal lines against top left corner and choose privacy and security. Click on it. Here click on delete browsing data. Here go to advanced tab, time range set as all time, and make the check against all these three options: browsing data history, download history, cookies and other site data, and choose delete data. Thereafter check whether your Google Chrome error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Again click on 3 horizontal line against top left corner. We will reset settings. It will not found here, so click on 3 horizontal line against top right corner, top left corner, and here scroll down and you will find the option reset settings. Click on reset settings and restore settings to their original default. Click on it and this action will reset some Chrome settings and Chrome shortcuts. Click on reset settings and check whether your Chrome error resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. The next one is right click on a start button and choose run. You may press Win plus R shortcut key to open run dialog box and here type inetcpl.cpl. Click on OK. A new window will open, Internet Properties Windows. Here go to Connections from the top menu bar and here click on LAN settings under local area network settings. Click on LAN settings. A new window will open and here make sure that use a proxy server for your LAN is disabled and also make the check against option automatically detect settings and click on OK to save the changes. Close the window and check whether your Google Chrome error resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Again launch Google Chrome browser and here again go to top right corner and click on 3 vertical dot and here choose the option extensions. Click on extensions, choose manage extensions, and if any extensions you have added to your Google Chrome browser, simply disable it or remove it. First disable it, otherwise if your problem is still, then remove it and check whether your Google Chrome error resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. After that, you must restart your system and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, again launch Google Chrome browser. Again click on 3 vertical dot from the top right corner. Click on it. Here hover the cursor on help and choose about Google Chrome. It will show you available updates for your Chrome browser, and if any update available, this will automatically update your Google Chrome browser. After that, restart your system. Your Google Chrome error will definitely be resolved. That's all.